Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to duplicate slides in slide. So if you want to duplicate your slides in Google Slide, is a quick method on how to get that done. So first thing you have to do is tap on the slide you want to duplicate. So I'm just going to tap on this particular slide, then I'm going to right click on it. So from here you can use the first method, which is the copy and paste method. Just copy the slide, then back, tap on the slide, then paste it. You can see that here, you can see we now have this slide two places. So if you want to use another method as well, just use this method, which is duplicate method. Right click on it, right click on the slide, then tap on duplicate slides. Just tap on duplicate slide. You see from this slide I also have some. That is how to do slides in slide. Thank you for full. Thank you.